Another day in a local creek, East Texas. Randy, what you got?
There's a little knife.
Cool. Petrified wood.
Yeah,
It's not even broke. Nice.
Hey.
Alright. Well, we got to hunt this rock bed right here. As you can see, it's packed. And this creek goes on forever. Not only that, we have these awesome holes in the creek. These clay holes that are just full of rock in them. Stick your hand in there and find all kinds of good stuff. This is a part of the creek where we like to hunt bird points. As you can see, it is just full of rocks. Just made it around the snake den to my favorite part of this creek. We got some clay washouts that hold a lot of rock down in here. Over the past few years, we have found a ton of bird points down in here. There's an old snuff bottle. Usually you can tell the strength of the snuff by the dots on the bottom. This one here only has one, so that was probably pretty weak. These little waterfalls here hold a bunch of rock too. Little milk glass container. This little wolf spider decided to crawl across my hand. Sheesh. He was walking on water too. Here's some of the bigger chunks of petrified wood that come out of the creek. This is a technique I like to call cooning in a creek. You get into the bottom and you just scoop out the rocks and just look for evidence or anything good. And here just a minute ago I pulled this knife out of here. Made out of petrified wood, pretty thin. Cool. What you got?
A tadpole.
Got a tadpole? Cool.
It's slippery.
See that? Randy shows how to sift a creek in East Texas.
Load it up.
Yeah, got a few good chips in there. What you got there?
Got a little bird.
Ah, I see him. Cool. Nice. Looks like it's old yellow shirt. Nice pink material. Cool. Well, it's time to get out of this creek. We're going to do our cleanup video from out in the field. We're short of time today. What you got today?
A bird, a bottle, a knife.
Yeah, that's a cool bottle. Some kind of syrup pepsin. Alright, there's that knife from earlier that you surface hunted when we got here. It's that knife I just found a little bit ago. Here's the weirdest looking tool. It's petrified wood, polished all the way around, and look at this weird 90-degree blade on it. Really strange. This is probably used for some kind of a hafted knife or some kind of hafted tool. I've never seen one made quite like that. And here's that little bird point. Some pottery. Very polished little stone here. This is probably just some natural formation, but looks cool. Alright, get back to y'all real soon.